These are the 6 worst fears that Quest users have. And the last one has got to be the worst fear of all time. Now, the first thing we have, it's getting your account banned from exploring the 7 seas. Now, we know that not everybody has money, and a lot of the Quest games are very pricey for what they're worth. So sometimes people decide to go a different route. They don't make money to buy the games. What they do is they go out to the 7 seas. And if you don't know what I mean, then be happy that you haven't gone down this path and risked your account. Now, let's say this person is going down a path to get these games. They're reaching the grand line. They get the game that they want or games. And once they achieve that game, they leave the grand line to go back to the East Blue and play the game. They go to sleep, and then suddenly, the very next day, they wake up to go play VR. And that's when they realized the worst thing ever could have happened to their account. It was gone. Absolutely revoked by Meta. Their playing privileges were taken. All those games that you've played and all the progress you've made, all the friends that you made, it's all gone just because you decided to go down to the grand line. This is a serious matter, okay? Meta accounts are very valuable, especially if you have a lot of hours on certain games. And if you still don't know what I'm talking about, be glad that you haven't gone this way yet. Because if you want to go down this path of exploring the 7 seas, it requires diligence, smartness, tactfulness, and precision. Only the ones who know will know what I'm talking about. The next fear. Let's say you just got a brand new VR headset and you're excited to unbox it. You open it up, you get the brand new box smell, you use it for a bit, you go to sleep thinking, wow, I had the most fun I'll ever have in my life. And then one day you wake up, you try to use the headset and you realize one of the controllers doesn't work at all. It could be stick drift. It could be something could be wrong with it. You don't even know. Or even worse, let's say you're playing a game and then you decide to hit the wall by accident and break your controller. And now you're cooked forever because the headset is basically useless due to the fact that you can't play Gorilla Tag anymore. And that's the only game you play. Not only that, but the controller replacements are way too expensive. I think they're $75 for one controller. And I have a tuition to pay. That could pay a part of my tuition for one entire controller. That's why my Quest 2 controller will never get replaced, ever. Now, the next fear, and this is a fear for everyone. Let's say you spent a ton of money on the headset. You bought all the games. You got all the skins you wanted. All the in-game value bucks, or whatever they got, V-bucks. What do they have in Gorilla Tag? Gorilla Bucks? And all that work, all the saving, all the friends, just for your account to get hacked. Like, everything you've done was for nothing. Now your account is gone and logged out. Now, this is the same as the first one, the first fear, where your account gets taken because you explore the 7 seas. But instead of your account getting revoked by Meta, your account got absolutely snatched up and finessed by a random person in a different country. Now they have access to your credit card. They have access to all your games. And it's wraps. They're running up your card, man. Your money is gone. Honestly, I just moved to a new country after that. Now, the next fear. Now, this one happened to me personally. Let's say one day you got money from Christmas because your parents were feeling nice. And there's this game that you've been wanting to buy for a very long time, but you didn't have the money to, but you do now. So you go ahead, you go to the store and you buy the game, only for you to realize that the game was absolute buns. Now, this is fine if you play the game for a little bit, you could just go get a refund. Unless you do what I did, and it's that I bought a game, played it once, waited 2 weeks because I was busy, played it again, and I realized it is the worst game I have ever played. Actually, that's cap. It was mid enough for me to regret my purchase. Because why did the game delay its trashiness from when I first played it? And now I can't refund it because it's been too long. That's what happened to me, and I will never do that again. If I don't like a game immediately, it's getting immediate refunded. Now, the next fear. This one is pretty bad. Let's say one day you were done playing with VR. You take off your headset, you leave it down, you put on a table, and you go on with your day. You eat lunch, you go to sleep, whatever. Next thing you know, when you put on the headset, there's a black dot on the screen. No matter what game you're in, whatever you're watching, it won't disappear. This is called screen burn-in, and this happens when the sun is focused on the screen because of the lenses. If this ever happens to you, you're basically cooked. You're done. Your headset is useless. Well, it's not useless. You could still use it, but there's no way of fixing it yourself. The only way of fixing it is giving it back to Meta, and that is a lot of work, and nobody wants to do that. Now, finally, we have the worst fear, and the last one you guys have been waiting for. This is the worst fear of all time for every Quest user, and I guarantee you. So let's say one night you leave the headset somewhere, on a windowsill, on a table, in your closet, under your bed, and then the next day you wake up, you grab the headset, and right as you're about to put it on, you see some black little dots moving all across the headset. You take a closer look and you realize it's all bugs. It's a universe of bugs, an entire village. You just saw the head chief go by your finger. This is the worst thing you could have waken up to. You throw the headset, you burn the entire neighborhood, and you move countries, because that's really the only thing you can do.